So you'll notice that this is not a lockpicking video. This is a tool video. Today I was able to get some tools that belong to a family friend of ours who passed away. His daughter let me come over and take a look through everything. So this is what I got. A machinist box full of some really cool stuff. Up here is a snap-on ferret set. It's mostly complete, I believe. All this stuff on the right is a bunch of extra sockets, Craftsman, and some other stuff. I don't know much about these, but when I saw snap-on, I cleaned everything out, put all the tools back to how we had them in each drawer, and just cleaned out some of the miscellaneous stuff. It's got some sharpening stones, Allen wrenches, screw extractors, some little screwdrivers here. This is all taps, files, countersinks. He was a mechanical engineer, so all this stuff is, from his life working at different companies here in Cleveland. This really cool Starrett chart. This thing doesn't... This box is way better than my Kennedy. It's got a cover for the drawers there. It's really nice. In here is more miscellaneous stuff. Bunch of compasses and things. Starrett. Little drill index. Some punches. This is for a combination square, I believe. Miller's Falls. I think there's some little rules. This, I don't know what this is, but it's also Starrett. Oh, sorry, Brown and Sharp. Some Yankee drill bits for the Yankee screwdrivers. Some really cool stuff down here. Clamps. I think these are for milling. These setup blocks, which I'm sure some of the guys will chime in. Little machinist clamps. A lot of the guys have made these. These labels were in there. This was his name, so I'm going to put this on the box in his memory. And really cool. This is a Starrett 230 and a Brown and Sharp. This was in a glasses case with some parts and just miscellaneous stuff. In here, some more just miscellaneous stuff. Chisels, punches, Allen wrenches, some more clamps, I think. This is a nice combination square. Little, what is that, 6-inch combination square. Another Starrett. Glass cutter, some paint brushes. Like I said, I kept pretty much how he had it. Some of the felt came out in a couple of these drawers with all the stuff. Yeah, I really don't know what those are for. I'm sure someone will chime in. James, Green, Keith, somebody. And down here, the last of it, there's just some stuff that that he had hanging up. Some channel locks and things that I put in my box. Wrench. There's a Jacob's chuck. I don't know if these are for some sort of measuring thing. A couple little tape measures. Socket goes up there. I think this is a Morse taper for the chuck. It's still in that sealant, whatever that is. Half-inch T-handle, Craftsman. This will be a good candidate for some electrolysis, rust removal, a tap wrench. That is a modified hammer of some kind, or pretty cool. Another clamp. A couple smaller ones. here. Yes, I don't know if this stuff all got wet. I'm guessing. This is interesting. It looks like it was modified. Socket of some kind. Some air tools. These pipe fittings and things like that. Just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Like I said, these channel locks are things I'll keep in my box. Retaining ring pliers. You know, I'll sort through the files. So, thanks for watching, and hope everybody has a Happy New Year.